네, 안녕하세요. Okay, so we are now on 517 po guys. Okay, so balik muna tayo sa ganitong setup. Okay, so sa instruction is 다음 표지를 맞게 설명한 것을 고르십시오. Okay, so please choose the thing that explains correctly the following signage. Okay, so correct explanation po dito sa signage yung hinahanap natin. So dito sa signage guys, meron po siyang warning sign and pinapaalala po lamang na mag-ingat kasi baka mahulog yung heel dito sa butas. Okay, so alin kaya dyan sa mga sumusunod yung may ganyang sinasabi? Okay, so number 1, 틈새. Okay, 틈새. Okay, so 틈새 means yung ano guys, ito, yung gap. Okay, yung butas. 구두, 구비. Okay, so 구두 is shoes and 굽 refers to the heels dito guys, no? Okay. So 끼지 않게 조심하십시오. So 조심하십시오, maraming beses na po tayong naka-encounter ng ganitong word. It means please be careful. Okay, 조심하십시오. Okay? Then itong ge guys, it means in order. Okay? So please be careful, in order. Then ji an means not to. Okay? So please be careful, in order not to. Then ki. Okay, kida means to get stuck. Okay? So please be careful para hindi ka daw ma-stuck or hindi ma-stuck yung goop. Okay, yung goop guys, it means yung heels nga. Okay, ng sapatos sa butas. Yun po yung ibig sabihin na number 1. So, number 1 yung correct explanation sa signage guys. So, therefore, number 1 yung tamang sagot. Hindi po number 2, 키가 작은 사람은, so person na 키가 작다. Okay, so short. Okay, a short person, 키가 작은 사람, 높은 구두. Okay, so 높은 구두. Okay, so meaning high shoes. 착용하십시오. Please wear. Okay, mali po. Number 2, 이곳은, in this place, 여자들만, only girls, 들어올 수 있는 장소입니다. So it's a place daw that only girls can go or can come in. Okay, 들어오다 kasi is to come in, to enter, ganun. Okay? So mali po guys. Next, number 4, 이곳에서는, so in this place, 발이 편한 운동화만 착용하십시오. So please wear, itong man, it means only. Okay, please wear only sneakers na 편하다, na comfortable or convenient, no? Sa paa. Okay? In this place. So mali na po yan guys. Okay? So I think again, yung number 1 po is yung tamang sagot natin dito. Okay? Let's proceed po sa 518. Okay? So dito same, no? 바르게 설명한 것을 고르십시오. Choose the correct explanation din po yan. Okay? So 전기공사. So 전기 guys means yung electricity, 공사 means construction. So 전기공사, electrical construction or electrical works, no, in simple terms. So 작업 중. So 작업 중, in the middle of working. Okay? So 돌아가시오. Okay? 돌아가시다 or 돌아가다 is to go back. And 시오, short form ng 십시오, which means please. So please go back. Okay? Then may signage po siya na pakanan. So ano po ba yung pakanan guys? So we should see a word that is 오른쪽. Okay? 오른쪽. Okay? Dito sa number 3. Okay? So sabi na number 3, 이곳에서 전기 공사를 하고 있으니까 오른쪽으로 가십시오. Okay? So 십시오 again, please. So please go to right. Okay? Please go right. Since itong unika, since or dahil 공사를 하고 있다, meaning doing construction. Okay? So, since doing construction or electrical works, no? Since doing electrical works in this place. Okay? Yun po yung ibig sabihin na number 3, guys. So, yung thought is, please be careful. Please go to right dahil they are doing electrical works in this place. Okay? So, number 3 could be the correct answer, guys. Okay? Not number 1 kasi sabi dito sa 1, 이곳에서 건물 공사를 하고 있으니까 들어오지 마십시오. So, please don't come in. Okay? Since they are constructing, no? 공사를 하고 있다. Okay? Constructing the 건물, the building in this place. So meaning nagko-construct sila ng building sa lugar na ito. So that's why please don't come. Okay? So anim nila. Next, number 2, 작업 복을 입은 사람만. Okay? So again, man means only. So only a person na nagsusuot ng 작업복. Okay, 작업복 means working clothes. So only a person who wears the working clothes 안으로 들어갈 수 있습니다. So can go inside. Yun po yung ibig sabihin ng number 2. So mali din po, guys, no? Number 4, 이곳은 in this place 전기가, okay, yung electricity daw 흐르다. Okay? So 전기가 흐르다 meaning electricity to flow. So merong dumadaloy na electricity. So 흐르는 곳이니. Okay? So iyong ini dito, guys, it's a short form of inika, which means since or dahil. So meaning dahil it is a place daw na nagfo-flow yung electricity, 반드시, you must or dapat 구무장화. Okay? 구무장화 meaning rubber boots. 착용하십시오. Please wear. So please wear rubber boots. You should, no? You must wear rubber shoes because it's a place that where electricity is flowing. Yun po yung ibig sabihin na number 4, guys. So medyo malayo na po siya sa pinagsasabi dito sa signage. So again, yun ang tamang sagot natin is number 3.